Welcome to 5-minute morning yoga stretch. This is a stand-in practice, so you don't really need a yoga mat. Just wear some comfortable clothes, or you can even practice in your pajamas directly after waking up. We will get started with feet around hip distance apart. Roll your shoulders a couple of times, or do any other movement to find a comfortable standing position. Begin to deepen your breath, breathing in and out through the nose. Big inhale into your belly and chest. Long, slow exhale through the nose. On your next inhale, circle your arms up to the ceiling. Interlace all fingers except your pointy fingers. Exhale, bend to your right, stretching the left side of the body. Big inhales into the left side of the ribs. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale towards your left, stretching the other side. Breathing deeply into the right side. Feel that nice side stretch. Inhale, come back to center. Open your arms, making this cactus shape. On your next inhale, lift your chest a little higher and slightly lean back. Gentle standing back bend. Feel the stretch on the front of your shoulders and chest. One more big inhale here. Lift your chest higher. With exhale, bend forward, bend your knees, relax your upper body and head. Bend your knees a lot so that the belly can come in contact with the thighs and there is not too much stretch on the hamstrings. You can keep fingertips on the ground or hug your opposite elbows to add weight to your upper body. Try rocking side to side, back and forward, relaxing the upper body. Release your arms, bend your knees a little bit more, press down through your feet and slowly roll up to standing. Inhale to circle your arms up, interlace the fingers. Exhale, bend to your right. Inhale up to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center, cactus your arms, lift your chest, and then release your arms down. Place your feet wider, parallel to each other. Bend your right knee, sitting into side lunge. Sit as deep as you need to feel that stretch on the inner thighs. Slowly come back to center and bend your left knee, side lunge on the other side. Come back to center, turn your heels in, toes out and bend your knees for goddess pose. Place your hands on your thighs and drop your right shoulder down, twisting to the left. Slowly come back to center and drop your left shoulder down, twisting to the right. On your next inhale, come back to center, straighten your legs, bring your feet parallel again, hands on the hips. Inhale to lift your chest, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bend forward from your hips. You can place fingertips to the ground, hold your shins, or hold your elbows like we did before and rock side to side, back and forward. Feeling the stretch on the back of the legs, on your hamstrings. Try to shift your weight a bit more into the balls of the feet. And then slowly release your arms, slightly bend your knees and roll up to standing. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this short yoga stretch. Let me know in the comments if you did, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye!